Hey, Shopify users and store administrators, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to guide you through the process of sending account invites in Shopify. This is a great way to collaborate with team members or grant access to trusted partners. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. All right, I'm here at Shopify.com. So, if you are using a different web browser, such as Safari, Opera, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, it's okay. I'm using Google Chrome right now and log into Shopify.com. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to create one, sign up, because it's an excellent platform for e-commerce. And here, I am on my Shopify dashboard, all right? And when you are in the Shopify dashboard, you're gonna go over to the left side of the interface, which says settings. All right, click on settings, and then all right, click on settings. Okay. Once you click on the settings, you might want to go in the when you click on my settings, you should see the user and permissions. Right, it's basically on top. All right, so when you it's on top right here. Okay, that's where users and permissions. Here in the user and permissions, you see here the staff 0 of 2. So you can customize what your staff members can edit and access. You can add up to 2 staff members on this plan because it is free. But if you upgraded to a more premium subscription, you can add more people right here. Okay, so add staff here. All right, you might want to put their first name, right, last name, and the email address. And here you can select the permissions you wanted. If you want, have some level of comfort to the granted access, this is where you check all of it. All right, so just remember, um allow account invites will allow you to collaborate effectively, all right, with team members, staff, and trusted partners. Again, you can grant them access to a specific sections of your Shopify store. You have the flexibility to control who can access and make changes to your store, right? Assign roles and permissions that match the responsibilities of each team member, ensuring they only have access to what is necessary. And then once you've done all of that, they will receive the invite on their email address that you have put in the information earlier. And then I just wanted to take note that sending account invites in Shopify provides a powerful way to streamline your e-commerce business operations, you know, because it fosters teamwork, ultimately contributing to the growth and success of your online store. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and I will see you all in the next one.